everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to be making some homemade sausage. Isn't that cool? So I have my meat grinder all ready to go here in my KitchenAid, and I'm just gonna push that over a little bit onto the bowl. And I have some ground pork that's already been ground, and I have some ground chicken. So I'm gonna grind it up to a smaller grind, and then I'm going to season it up, and we're going to start to make sausage. So this ought to be fun. Stick around. See how I do it. Okay, well, I have my I have my pork and my ground chicken. I gotta tell you, that was a mess to grind all that up again. It took a little bit of time, a little time consuming. So plan your day wisely if you're gonna do something like this. I'm gonna start to add some seasonings and put it together, and then I'll bring you back when I start to stuff the casings. Okay. Well, so I'm going to start to add some spices. I added just a good sprinkle of paprika over the top, and a good sprinkle of cumin. And I found this in the store, garlic and onion, black pepper, and sea salt mix. And it smells really good. So I'm gonna, that's 3 tablespoons here. So I'm gonna add that in there. And then I wanted to add a little bit more garlic. I like a little bit more garlic. I'm gonna see how these all come out. It's all over my feet. Now, with clean hands, these hands are clean. I just washed them. I've been washing them. We got to get in and we got to mix it all up. It's a little messy, but we got to do it. So here goes. Just dive right in. Don't be afraid. Just do it. Here we go. Get all those spices nice and incorporated in there. Oops. So far, it smells pretty good. They make pretty good sausages. The goal is I was going to make these to make breakfast sausages. It smells really good. I can just imagine what it's going to smell like when it's all cooked up. Alrighty, let me wash my hands and I'm going to bring you back. Okay, we're back. I want to show you guys something. You know, when I first bought my meat grinder, I didn't know I could stuff sausages with it. And it came with this little doohickey, this little thingamajig, whatchamacallit, whatever you want to call it. And I probably just ended up throwing it away because I had no idea what it was for. What it did, I didn't know. So, not too long back, I ordered another meat grinder, and I had discovered in the process that this little thing is what you use when you are going to stuff sausages. I thought, oh, that's pretty cool. When you do that, when you stuff sausages, you don't use your blade or your die here. Excuse me. You just put your part together here, and you put that over your turner there, and then you put your funnel over that, and then you put your ring over that. And then what you do, then you put your sausage, your stuffer, back into your KitchenAid. And make sure you put your screw in there so that it doesn't go anywhere. We don't want it to go anywhere. And then you put this attachment right back on top, just like we had it before. And then you put your sausage back in here, and you start stuffing your casings. Okay? Oh, this is going to be so fun. Okay, so I have my casing on my funnel here. This is a 21 millimeter collagen edible casing, and it's used for snack sticks, breakfast links, and more, it says. So, let's give this a shot. I have some meat already stuffed in there, and let's see how it goes. I'm going to start out nice and slow. Now, I've tied an end. I tied up the one end of my casings here, and I'm just going to give this a go. And I'm also going to hold on to it as I'm stuffing it. Gonna hold on to it right here. You can see it's starting to fill up. The reason why I'm holding it right here is because I want to make sure I get it to the bottom end of that. I can start adding more. Okay, I'm finally all done. I have all these links of homemade sausage right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie them off. So I'm going to get some twine and I'm going to tie them off. You know, some say that you could take them and then twist them and what have you. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to tie them. All right, back. I tried twisting these and it just wasn't working for me. So, because they kept breaking apart. And, so I just took some twine here and I'm just going to tie it in a nice little knot. These are going to go in my freezer. The collagen casings are edible. The twine is not. So, before I use these, I'll end up just, you know, cutting that part off and then frying them up in my pan there. So that's not too bad, huh? Got some nice fresh sausage links there. These I'm going to go ahead and empty it out of the casings, and I'll probably make these into patties, which should be alright, and then put those in the freezer as well. Okie doke, and I had a little bit left over that came out of my, there's still some left here in my device. I'll scrape that all out and then form it into patties. But there you go, homemade sausage. I'll throw the recipe up in the description box. If you have any suggestions, feel free to give me a comment or two, and let me know what you think. If you've tried this, if there's an easier way, I'd love to hear about it. Anyway, that is it for me today. Y'all be safe, y'all be well, y'all be kind. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. Well, good morning, everyone. Yesterday I made some homemade sausage, and I made some patties out of them, along with some links. But this morning, I'm cooking up some of the sausage patties that I made, and I'm going to let you know how they turned out. So stick around. Well, alrighty, here is the moment of truth. Let's try this sausage. That's not bad. Not too bad. See? Didn't come out too bad. Could use a little bit more heat, like in the spice, but it's not bad. And that's my breakfast for today. Okay, guys, enjoy your day. Have a good one. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.